So bali today, ito na yung pinaka-highlights dito ko sa Thailand, ang sa Elephant Sanctuary. So bibili muna ako ng pagkain dito sa 7-Eleven. 6:30 yung pick up time dito sa hostel ko. So ayun, see you later, bye. Dahil wala pang bukas ng mga restaurant ngayon, 6:30 AM kasi yung pick up dito tayo 7-Eleven. Ayan. Tapos kumain din tayo nito 45 pa. So ayun, see you later, bye. So yun guys, waiting na ako dito sa may tapat ng hostel ko. Bali, breakfast lang ako, then ayun, alis na. Ito yung nakuha ko sa 7-Eleven, ito yung pagkain. Tapos meat, rice, saka yung ground pork something, and coffee. Bali, 60 baht lang. So see you later, bye. So ayun, na-pick up na kami ng van. Ako pala, may kasama na akong dalawa. Kaso inuubo, baka magkaubo din ako. So we're entering the sanctuary. 30 minutes din. Diyan yung feeding program lang. Meron kasi parang 2 types of tour. Yay! We're here. Ayan. Medyo makulimlim. Dito na kami sa parang reception or sa common area. Medyo makulimlim at umuulan yata. Umulan kagabi. Iba-ibang lahat. Ito yung sugar. Hi.
Hello. Good morning. So we want now we're gonna break into right now. Everything inside behind about your insurance for everybody. Thank you.
Registration muna.
I give one by one. Alright? And only allow you to put to the trunk. Elephant trunk is their nose and the head always smells searching for food. Again, not in the mouth, only the trunk. And the thing that you should not do while you're feeding elephant. We don't taste elephant with food. We don't play with their food while they're eating. Everything that you
Ayun guys, pinagugas muna kami ng kamay bago humawak ng banana o mga pagkain nila na ibibigay sa elephants. Ayan. Tara, let's go.
We have our banana and pineapple. Where you hold pineapple, everyone. Okay, when you hold pineapple, you hold this way to the banana. Okay, you give it the whole thing. So you don't need to do this way because leaf is quite sharp. Okay, spiky. Be careful to cut in your hand. You give it the whole thing. Okay.
Papakain tayo ng elephants. It's okay, it's recording. Sorry.
better than all of us, man.
Yeah.
Here, do it.
Oh, yeah, I'll take a video.
So why do we need salt?
Because now it's still summer. Actually, the weather is hot.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay. Your muscle.
Oh, yeah. Tommy Frank, come closer.
Look at his muscle.
Look at his muscle. Muscle big.
Hey, get him out of the video. He's too big.
He's a Thai nation team Kung Fu.
Oh.
He's an Asian game champion and he's a coach for Thai nation team.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Now you fight elephants. Huh? Anyone want to try?
And vitamins. Tapos na kami dun magpakain ng elephants. Ngayon gumagawa kami ng vitamins nila.
You want some? You want some biscuit?
Yeah, keep making that meatballs, boys. Wow.
Like you make meatballs.
And then we're gonna take one bowl each first. Okay, take one bowl each first and see how many bowls we have left. Okay, if you wanna feed them, you can take one.
So now we will feed them with the vitamins. Kinuha na niya agad.
Alright, everybody, when you feed them, just make sure that every elephant gets. Okay, not only two. Alright? Okay, don't forget grandma.
Bibigyan ko na siya ng vitamins. Yay! This one, how old? This one?
This one's
26 years old. They only give birth one baby at a time.
I need to see like a twin baby.
Okay.
But it's a relative happy. But mostly like they keep one at a time. One. And how many?
So yun guys, nagpalit na ako ng pang paligo at pang magbat na sa elephants. Ayun, umuulan pero parang huminto na ngayon. So see you na lang dun sa mad bathing sa elephants. Let's go! So itong experience pala to, wala siyang exact time kung how long maglalast. Depende sa elephants yun. Kung gusto niyang magpa-scrub ng matagal, magpaligo ng matagal, ganyan. So kung may naisip ka daw na gusto mong gawin, gawin mo na. Huwag yung maghihintay ka pa. Kasi gusto na nila na kung ano yung activities na natural na ginagawa ng mga elephants, yun lang daw na gagawin. Itong binibigay nila itong pagpapaligo sa mga elephants sa sarili nila kung hanggang kailan nila gusto. At kapag umalis na sila, hindi na daw dapat namin habulin. So ayun na sila. So ayun na yung elephants. Papaliguan na. Where's the mud? Ito yung may mud. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elephants. Nagmamad ba? Woo! Wow. This is the best experience. Ito yung talaga yung highlight ng tour ko for my birthday. This is Vanessa.
Here, watch out behind you.
Ayan. Tapos na silang magmada. Ngayon magbabanlaw na sila. Ayan. Kukuha kami ng mga ano namin, pang brush. These are the boys. Escoba. Holy shit! Holy shit!
Going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Brush, brush after this.
You need circular motion or any motion?
They very love it. It's still, even like we can't see it's working, right? Oh, good. Keep going, keep going. Okay, good, good, good. Phải nào mà gì? Tàng nam.
Okay.
Okay, keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh, good, good, good. Okay.
So guys, tapos na kami magpaligo ng elepante. Babanlaw na. Ang saya ng experience, grabe. I think ngayon magla-lunch na kami kasama siya sa package. Magbabanlaw muna tapos kakain na. So see you later. So ngayon tapos na kami mag-shower. Magla-lunch na kami. Okay, pagkain. Spring roll. Spring roll. So let's eat. So this is my food. Let's eat. Next. Now we're going to the next activity na gagawa ng papers nagawa sa tae nila. Tapos dala na namin yung mga gamit namin dahil hindi na doon na kami pipick upin ng driver ng sasakyan. Daming dogs. Ayun ulit sila, yung mga gentle giants of the lands.
You can hold it, you can hold it. It's a cover, everyone. Later you can show it, you let him try. Okay. Alright, anybody want to try? No. So you would like to try, welcome. But if you don't need to try, everyone okay?
What happened to you? It's not working, man.
There's less water on this side.
Really good. What about mine?
How come he's really good? Me good? No. You're good?
No.
That's right.
Brother.
Right there?
Yeah.
I think another one. Ilan nilagay mo? Isa lang?
Makapal daw pag dalawa.
Mine's not working.
I did it.
You have to stay here.
Until it's
Good?
Until it's good. You have to stay here until finished.
Shit, man. I have to stay here 1 month. Harder? But I'm getting wet now. Okay.
Okay, you piss yourself.
It's raining now.
That dog is so big.
Yeah, it looks like my dog, bro.
Just leave it here. Eh. So yan. Kuha tayo ng paper.
What's the paper for?
Souvenir. Fake one.
I don't know.
Tapos yan yung Facebook
Should we
page.
frame it?
Kung saan nila ilalagay yung mga photos. Download nyo na lang. So yun, tapos na kami dito. So babalik na ako ng town proper ng Pattaya. Tapos diretso na ng Bangkok. So see ya, bye. So guys, malapit na ako sa Central Pattaya. Doon ako nagpababata. Meron palang libre tag. Actually hindi siya libre kasi binayaran mo siya. So kasama siya sa package. Yung package is nakuha ko sa Klook for 1,190 something ganun. Pero kung magdidirect ka, halos ganun din yung presyo. So meron din silang direct website na pwede ka dun mag-purchase 2,900 baht. So halos ganun din pag kinonvert in pesos. Yun nga lang doon, magda-down ka lang. Tapos the remaining babayaran mo pag nandun ka na sa mismong sanctuary. So ayan. So 12 na and maghihintay ako up to 3 PM kasi dun yung 3 PM yung schedule ko ng shared van papuntang Bangkok. See you. So guys, nandito na ako sa Central Pattaya. Bali, isang malaking multo na isang hotel din, Hilton Hotel yung tabi niya, or isa lang siya may-ari ng mall na to. Bali, maghihintay na lang ako mag 3 PM para dun sa bus, dun sa main entrance yung hintayan. Shared van pala yon. Dun sa main entrance ang hintayan, dun ang pick up sa akin. So libot-libot muna ako dito. Mga kilalang brand din yung mga nandito. So yan. So see you later. So yan guys, nandito na ako sa waiting area ng Klook. Ayan, dito siya sa ano, basta dyan sa mall entrance, sa gilid. Hindi siya sa beach side Dito siya, kung ang beach side sa likod ko, so left side ka ng mall. So yun. Ito yung sasakyan namin mamaya. Dito. Diyan. Pero kailangan mo ng pero kailangan mo nang ipa-check dito sa mismong gilid yung QR code mo sa Klook. So see you later. Ayun. Ayun. Ito na yung van. Sakay na kami. So maganda naman yung van. Bye Pattaya. Guys, andito na ako sa Siam. Dito pala yung Central World, yung drop off. So bale, halos 3 oras yung biyahe namin dahil traffic na. So kung may chance kayong pauwi, dapat wag yung pipiliin yung 3 PM kasi ma-traffic na sa parang highway nila dito at saka sa mga main roads. Dapat yung 12 yung pipiliin nyo kung kaya nyo pero abot naman kasi nung yung sanctuary ko, ang dating ko sa mismong sa pinag-drop offan sa akin is mga dun sa Pattaya, sa pinag-pick upan sa akin is mga 11:30 ako na drop off doon. So abot pa sa pick up. So ayun, ngayon papunta na ako sa hostel ko. So magkita na lang tayo mamaya sa hostel para i-room tour ko kayo. At yun, so see ya, bye.